Okay. Oh yeah, she's laying up there pretty now. Laying up there nice, right where it needs to be. Make sure I'm right in that. Make sure I'm right in that bend. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. It's laying perfect over here. Don't worry about that uneven cut across the top or that gap here. That's off. What I'm looking at is this sharp corner here, and it's right where it needs to be. Oh yeah. So now, have in mind, I'm going to cut away all this stuff that's helping me reference it. So I'm going to need to probably drill a hole here, small drill bit, maybe one here somewhere, just for alignment that I can always depend on no matter what I do to this piece, because I'm going to cut a lot more off of it. This flange, this curve up here is all going to go away. So I'll put maybe 3, I don't know, maybe 3 pinholes with a really small drill bit that I can put back in there, and then cut my piece the way I want it cut, lay it on there, and then mark it around the outside edge of it, but cut it out around the inside of that line, not on the line, and shave it to fit wherever I need to get it to fit inside tight. Yeah, I think I'm making progress here. I gotta stop. Honestly, I gotta do something. I want to keep going, but I can't. Okay, gotta get this. Oh, sorry. I gotta get a chair. I can't do it. I gotta get a chair. Sorry, didn't mean to hear all that.